Fiskars WoodXpert Sappie XA2. The Fiskars WoodXpert Sappie XA2 stands out for its ability to handle and organize logs and firewood efficiently, thanks to its specially designed serrated hook that effortlessly grips wood. Lightweight at only 220 grams, it ensures user comfort and reduces fatigue, making it ideal for extended use in forestry activities. The tool's compatibility with the log tongue accessory, allowing for the manipulation of logs up to 20 centimeters in diameter, further enhances its versatility. Priced at $53.50 for the Sappie and $61 for the tongue, it offers an affordable and effective solution for wood management, emphasizing ease of use and practicality. Hilti Nuron EXO-22. The Hilti Nuron EXO-22 brings an innovative approach to reducing physical strain from heavy tool use in construction. This wearable support system considerably lessens the perceived weight of a jackhammer, promoting longer, less fatiguing use. It supports heavy tools while only adding minimal weight itself, thereby increasing both comfort and productivity on the job. Despite its higher cost of $2,000, the device's contribution to injury prevention and productivity enhancement justifies the investment for professionals facing demanding physical tasks. Homax TexPro. The Homax TexPro system elevates the process of applying textures, making it faster by approximately 70% compared to conventional methods, without compromising on finish quality. The setup is simple, involving just the attachment of a compressor and the insertion of a cartridge. Its lightweight design, being 60% lighter than typical hopper spray guns, significantly reduces user fatigue. It comes with 3 adjustable nozzles, allowing for tailored spray intensities for different texturing projects. With competitive pricing, the Homax TexPro appeals to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking efficient and innovative texturing tools.